accelerants and blew up myself again. Volkswagen, tailspin, bucket matches my pale skin. Mailwin, went from Hellman's and being rail thin, fish. Scribble Jam, Rap Olympics, 97, Freak Nick, how can I be down me in? Bazaar in Florida, Bruce room, slept on the Florida motel then. Dr. Dre said hell yeah, and I got it stamped like a postcard, word to mailman. And I know they're gonna hate, but I don't care. I barely can wait to hit 'em with the snare and the bass square in the face. This fucking world better prepare to get laced, because they're gonna taste my venom. I got that adrenaline in 'em, not knowing when I'm ever gonna slow up, and I'm ready to snap.